Yo, what's up, Team Slick Gang? Back with you guys with a litty video as always. Tonight we got a banger. You know what it is, man. So tonight, here is the grandfather clock, and it's about ready to chime. It's my mom's clock, and it's really beautiful. The looks and the sound. That's why I want to show you the sound too. So it's getting ready to chime very soon, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Give you a... Here we go. And I know. There it goes. There she is. She just chimed 8 o'clock, and it's a really beautiful clock. We've had this a long time, and this is something I want to do completely different. So if you guys and girls are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below of this clock. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlogs.